Welcome back, my package prepping peeps, to the next video. Okay, today we will be talking about foods. Now, when you're storing stuff, when you're dealing, especially in a SHTF type situation, you want to make sure that you have the foods that's going to be able to last the longest on the shelf. What's the shelf life of the foods? There's a lot of things that you can store, but according to the shelf life, what good is it? If you have something, some of these things you have 6 months to a year, some 2 years. What we're dealing with today is stuff that are gonna last long and it's gonna give you the best buck for your bang. All right, today we'll be talking about Augason Farms and their products. Now they have many products. We're gonna be dealing with 6 of their many products. They also have eggs, fruit, much more. These cans right here, these aren't just any regular cans. These are the number 10 cans made of high-grade steel. They're pest-proof. When unopened, they float. They can be reused. You can, plant something in there, do whatever you want with it after you're done with it. But these are high-grade steel. It's not just something, I'm guarantee you probably can cook in it the whole 9 once you're finished with it. But let's talk about what's in it. Okay, now for example, we're gonna go down these 6. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet for you. The bread scone and roll mix. The shelf life on this is 10 years, served in the 48. All right, now we got the butter powder, serving size of 204, shelf life to 10 years. Just add water, same thing with the first one. Now we have country fresh dried milk, instant non-fat, serving size of 39, right? And the shelf life of this is 20 years. Peanut butter powder, serving size 60. Shelf life of this is 5 years. Now we have the black bean burger mix, gluten-free, so it's healthy. Serving size of 38. The shelf life of this is 25 years. Same thing we have down here with the potato shreds, dehydrated, serving size of 21. Just the same thing again, just add water. The shelf life of this is 25 years. You can't beat that. That's wonderful. Cannot beat that right now. And I think they have a sale on Amazon right now for about, I think the lowest, sometimes I believe, don't quote me, but I believe $8 to $10 on some of these right now. That's a steal. So go check them out. We're gonna leave a link in the description. But to tell you the truth, a lot of people just get these. They don't even, it doesn't have to be an SHTF type situation. So people are getting these and eating them on a regular basis. So no matter what, whether it's that type of situation, just stocking up on food, maximizing your space, I think these are wonderful to have. Once again, go check them out and let me know what you get. There's thousands of reviews of people that are literally talking about how good these things taste. They're using it on their day-to-day. Like I said, it's easy to stock. And so the cans are very resourceful, they're useful. So there's many things that you can use and be able to put together for your meals to enjoy with this Augason Farms products. So I hope this was beneficial to you. And as always, if you like what you like, please do what you do. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right.